Now let's find a unit vector, right? It says that we have to find the unit vector in the direction of the vector given below. So vector v is equal to 2i minus j, right? So as you remember, just the formula, if you have a vector u, then the unit vector of the vector u is equal to the vector u divided by its magnitude, right? Same will apply over here. We have the vector v, 2i minus j. Now we find its magnitude, and you find the magnitude by squaring the x term and then squaring the y term and then adding them up and then taking the under root of the result. So the x term is 2 and the y term is minus 1, right? Because this is minus j is basically equal to minus 1j. So 2 square plus minus 1 square will give you 4 plus 1 under root. So that just means under root 5. And that is basically the magnitude of the vector v, right? So the unit vector v, the unit vector of v is equal to the vector v divided by its unit vector. So 2i minus j divided by under root 5. And you can basically just separate the 2i and minus j. So this becomes 2 over under root 5i minus 1 over under root 5j, right? And so this, if you take the magnitude of this vector over here, that'll give you 1, because the magnitude of unit vector is 1. Now we have another vector. We'll apply the same method. Find the magnitude of this vector. That gives you 1. And so basically, the unit vector is the original vector divided by the magnitude. So what this basically means is that this original vector given to you is a unit vector as well. And how did you do not need to go through all this, whatever we've done over here. Because once you find out that the magnitude of this vector is 1, that automatically means that it is a unit vector, because unit vector is a vector with a magnitude of 1, right?